In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create perspective text in Figma. Open your design, make sure the text you want to transform is visible and easy to select, and that any surrounding layers aren't locked or covering it. Next, head to the Action section in Figma, the quick search you can open from the top bar and type Perspective Toolkit. This plugin gives you non-destructive isometric skewing and full 3D perspective control, which means you can explore different looks without baking in changes or losing your original text layer. Go ahead and open and run it. The plugin will load a panel with controls dedicated to skew and perspective, so you can set up the look you want with precision. Select your text layer in the canvas so the plugin knows what to act on. If you are not seeing the right layer, try clicking it directly in the Layers panel to avoid grabbing a frame or group by mistake. Now, under Skew, you'll notice vertical and horizontal dots or handles. These are your main adjustment points. Drag the vertical dots to lean the text forward or backward, and drag the horizontal dots to stretch or pinch it left and right. As you move these, watch how the text starts to align toward a perspective shape. Take your time here, small drags can have a big impact, and the goal is to match the angle or plane you are targeting, whether that's a wall, a floor grid, or an isometric direction. Once your skew looks close to the angle you have in mind, go to the 3D tab, sometimes shown as 3 seconds inside the plugin. Use this to make a true 3D perspective shape from your skewed text. This step converts the flat skew into a more realistic perspective that recedes toward a vanishing point, so it feels grounded in space rather than just stretched. The beauty of doing this through the plugin is that it remains non-destructive, so you can keep refining until it sits perfectly in your layout. That's the full workflow. Thanks for watching.